Okay, students, next topic is classy chopper. The classy chopper is a four-quadrant chopper. The classy chopper is parallel combination of two classy chopper. We already studied about the classy choppers. Means when we connected two classy choppers in parallel, it is called classy chopper. This is the circuit diagram of a classy chopper. Here we can see that is the VDC, that is known as the supply voltage. That is chopper 1, that is chopper 2, that is chopper 3, that is chopper 4. Basically, there are four choppers and the four diodes, namely D1, D2, D3, and D4. This is inductor, that is load, and this V0 denotes the output voltage across the load. Here we assume I output as a reference current. This is the direction of a reference current. So in classy chopper, first mode of operation of a classy chopper, we get output current positive, output voltage positive. Means in first quadrant we get output voltage positive and output current positive, and in second quadrant we get output current negative and output voltage positive. In third quadrant we get output current negative and output voltage negative, and in fourth quadrant we get output current positive and output voltage negative. Next is working of a classy chopper. So basically there are four mode of operation, that is the first quadrant operation, second quadrant operation, third quadrant operation, and fourth quadrant operation. First, we will see the first quadrant operation. When chopper CH1 and CH2 are switched on. When chopper CH1 and CH2 are switched on, the circuit looks like this. This CH1 and this CH2 are switched on. This time the load current flows through the VDC through A, through CH1, through this L, through this load, then the CS2, then the K, then through the VDC. The direction of a current is similar as a direction of a reference current. That time this output current is positive and output voltage is positive when CH1 and CH2 are switched on. Second is four quadrant operation when chopper CH1 and CH2 are switched off. Means when CH1 and CH2 are switched off, the circuit looks like this. This time the current flows through the F, through load, then through G, then through H, then through this D3, then in this direction, this. And this time the polarity of voltage is negative. So in fourth quadrant operation, we get output current positive and output voltage negative. Next is third quadrant operation when chopper CS3 and CH4 are switched on. The circuit looks like this when this CH4 and this CH3 are switched on. The current flows through the VDC, through C, through this G, through load, through F, through E, then CH4 then. The direction of a current is this. This is the opposite direction of a reference current. That's why the output current is negative here. And the voltage across this load, the polarity of this voltage is also negative. Therefore, the output voltage is negative and output current is negative. That's why this is the third quadrant operation. Next is second quadrant operation. When chopper CS3 and CH4 are switched off, the stored energy of inductor dissipates through the load G, then the through load, then VDC in this direction. The direction of a current is this, this, this. Through means through to G, then the load, then F, then D1, then VDC, and then here L, then diode D2, then H, then G. So the direction of a current is opposite to the reference current direction. That's why the output current is negative, but the polarity across this load is positive. That's why voltage output is positive. So in this case, voltage output is positive and output current is negative. That's why this is the second quadrant operation. So basically class A chopper is a 4 quadrant operation. We discussed all quadrant operation, first quadrant operation, fourth quadrant operation, second quadrant operation, and third quadrant operation. Thank you.